welcome back to my channel, you guys. It was an awesome haul this today, you guys. I'm so excited. So if you guys watched Instagram, I'd made a story about some pens. Now the ad said they were on sale. I didn't know what the prices were, but they were buy one get one free, and then it says you get 2,000 points. Well, the tag in the store, they were $2.99. You buy one get one free, but you get 2,000 points for every one that you buy. So you get 4,000 points, you guys. So I bought a ton of pens, or pencils, mechanical pencils, because I wanted to do that. They had some markers and they had highlighters and stuff, but I'm gonna probably donate every single one of these mechanical pens pencils. I'm gonna donate every single one because I don't need that much, but I just wanted to gain my points. So if you guys need to gain your points, you definitely want to do it. I was looking around the store and I found some good deals, but let me tell you guys about this pen deal. Now, I don't think this is a glitch because it says it in the ad, it says it on the tag, but these mechanical pencils, there's these ones, and then there are these ones, okay? So we got this kind and this kind. These are $2.99. There might be coupons out there. I don't know if there is, but these are buy one get one free. You guys can mix and match, do whatever you want. My store had probably 300 of these. 300 of them, and I'm like, I took a ton, and she's like, I said, I didn't even take a dent of what I did, but I said, most likely they'll be gone by the end of the week. But again, buy one get one free. You guys would pay $2.99 for 2 of these, okay? But then you guys would get 2,000 points and 2,000 points, making it a $1.01 moneymaker. Now you guys can pay with points. I got $50 worth of mechanical pencils, and I paid $50 worth of points, and I got, she's like, no, you know you can't pay with points. I said, yeah, I can. She's like, okay. She looks at my receipt, she's like, holy crap. She didn't say holy crap, but she said something else. She's like, look at the points you got. I'm like, is it good or is it bad? She's like, you just got $80 worth of points back. So I paid $50 in points, and I got $80 back, you guys. So this is an awesome deal. I know people are gonna go crazy over it, but I am so excited to share with you guys this deal. I ended up buying, I think I bought like 30 packs of pencils, maybe. I don't know, but this whole entire bag is full of mechanical pencils, you guys. This receipt right here is just mechanical pencils and one Almay lipstick. Like, that's how crazy it is. So definitely go ahead and do that. I'm still at the store. I'm like, I should go buy more, but I'm like, nope. I don't want to like clear the shelves. I don't want to be a pig. But another deal that I did was the Almay lipstick. Now I did this deal because I had those $5 Catalinas that printed off like a while ago. So these were $7.99. They're buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon that we got from our inserts if you want to do the lip deal, and then that $5 Catalina, which just says it's for a lip. It does work for other stuff. I accidentally gave it to her, and I said, oh, I didn't want to give that to you, but I didn't even have any lips on that transaction, and it worked. Don't do that. I mean, I don't like, you know, giving people stuff to do, but it did work for my wipes that I used, but I had her take it off because I wanted to use it for this. But you guys would pay $5.98 for this, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward. Now you guys can use the register rewards you got from last week, and the new ones will print. So just giving you guys a heads up. So this comes out to be 98 cents, so 49 cents for both of these. These are the lip oil and stick. I wanted to try them. They're very light. I don't even know if there's a lot in here, but the colors I got were sugar plum and rosy glade. So wanted to share with you guys on that in case you guys wanted some deals. So I'm just gonna put everything in this bag that I have. Now I did 3 separate transactions because I wanted to get some other deals. So the All Made wipes are $5.99. You guys, they're buy one get one 50% off. You want to use a $3 off
guys, my
coupon.
husband
Called me because he had to tell me stuff. I feel like I'm very whited out all of a sudden. I'm like facing the building, so it's like super. Yeah, so like I said, you guys want to use a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts a while ago. You would pay $5.98 for this, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward. And like I said, if you guys use the register rewards from last week, it'll print, or not last week, from 2 weeks ago. I didn't get the Revlon from last week, but it's still the same kind of Catalina, but it did print. So these come out to be just 98 cents for both of these. So yes. I got the Febreze. I like these. Yeah, I just like them. I like these sometimes better than the other sprays. I feel like these are just a little bit better. So these are 2 for $6. You guys want to use a buy one get one free coupon that we got in today's P&G. You guys would get these for $3 or $1.50. Now there are times where we can get these a little bit cheaper, but you know what? I wanted to share with you guys on that deal in case you want to do that. So $3, $1.50 a piece. Now I got me some Cadbury Eggs. I have another one in here somewhere. But the Cadbury Eggs are 4 for $3. They're not the greatest deal, but you know what? I want some Cadbury Eggs and I have to wait a whole month for, or whole year for them. So we got that. Those are what I wrote how much they cost. They're 75 cents a piece, which is an okay deal. So if you guys need some Cadbury Eggs. Another deal that's going on right now is the Ziploc Nice brand baggies. Now the garbage bags are not included, but it's just the baggies. They're buy one, you get 2 free. They basically come out to be 92 cents or 93 cents a piece. So $2.79 for 3 of them. So if you guys want to do that, I stopped doing that deal because I have so much baggies. But once my basement's all organized, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. You guys can. Tell, like, I haven't had any coffee today. I had Honey Nut Cheerios for breakfast and I'm on like a high. But yeah, so the deal that you guys can do in the store is these Clif Bars. Now you can clip this to your card or you can have them scan the ad at the store. These Clif Bars are just 99 cents with the in-store ad. It is a limit of 8, so if you guys want to go ahead and get those, you can do that. I just got one. I can't remember if my husband likes these or not, so I just got one. I did the Kit Kat bar deal again. I went in my drawer, I'm like, Graham, did you eat my Kit Kats? No, I have no idea what you're talking about. Well, my Kit Kats are gone. So I'm very disappointed in my husband because I think he ate my Kit Kat bars. Bad Graham. So these are 3 for $5. There is a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for $1.50 off of 3. You guys would just get these for $3.50 or $1.16 a piece. I don't know if that's a good deal for you guys. To me, it's a pretty good deal. I mean, the candy bars these days are like 90 cents for a small thing. These are the giant ones, so gotta get me some Kit Kat bars, you guys. We're like, what the frick is she doing? Yeah, I ended up getting the Revlon Tweezers. You can never have enough tweezers. Don't ask me, I have so much tweezers, it's crazy. So these were $3.79. I've been wanting to do this deal all month long, but both stores that I shop at have only had one on hand. They finally got another one on hand. But these are $3.79. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons that we got a couple weeks ago. You would pay $5.58 for this, but then you guys will get 3,000 points. Comes out to be just $2.58. Not the greatest deal, but I wanted to share with you guys because I know some of you guys don't like coupons going to waste, or if you guys want to get gift baskets and all that jazz. Yes. Now I did the Crest deal. Now I used 2 paper coupons for $2 off from the P&G, and then I used one $2 off digital. So these are $2.99. You guys want to buy 3 of them, use 2 paper coupons and a digital coupon. You would pay $2.97 for the 3 of them, but then you guys will get, hold on, I just have to go through my register rates. You guys will get a $4 register reward. Now you can pay with points with this deal too. So it comes out to be just $1.02 Moneymaker. Yes, $1.02 Moneymaker. I think that's a pretty good deal. So great deal, you guys, great deal. Now, my store still had Valentine's Day stuff up, and it was just candy, and there was a sign that says 70% off, and they had like 5 items. Well, I went in the normal candy aisle, and I saw that these had hearts on it, and I'm like, I think these are Valentine's Day candy. So I went up to the register. I'm like, hey, can you price check this? And sure enough, these were on clearance for 70% off. They're originally $9.99. They came out to be $2.99. They will not go any cheaper than that unless there's like some kind of miracle. But yeah, so this is the Pecan Delights. I looked at all the other flavors. They didn't have anything else, but I'm like, for $2.99 for a box of chocolates. Then I looked in here and there's like 9 pieces. 9 pieces. Whatever, but I got my husband a Valentine's Day gift, so happy Valentine's Day, Graham. Yeah. Don't ask me, you guys. I'm like on 0 sleep. This is my first pen deal. I did that deal just to see what happened. Pencil. So I ended up getting the Revlon lipstick matte. Now this was in a 3rd transaction. So these were $8.49. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons, but I ended up having a $3 off coupon and a $5 Catalina, so that's why I did this deal. But with the 2 $3 off coupons, you guys would pay $6.73. With the $5 Catalina, you guys would pay $4.73. Then you guys will get a $5 register reward. What? Makes them just $1.73 with the two $3 off coupons, or 26-cent Moneymaker if you guys have that Catalina. So yes, got that. And then I wanted to, I found my extra Cadbury egg. Yes, okay. So the next deal I did was the Nivea Shave. Now, I wanted to do this deal all month long, but my store's been like sold out of these, and I didn't have any more coupons, you guys. I ran out of coupons. I did have some in my Walmart coupon bag, but I lost my coupons at that store and they haven't called me back, but whatever, I'm not crying. So these were $2.99. They are buy one, get one free. So you guys can use a $2 off coupon, 2 off a 2 coupon if you guys have that. If you don't, not a big deal. Without the coupon, it's $4.48. With the coupon, it's $2.48. But then you guys can submit to Ibotta a $1.80 and a $1.80 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 88 cents for both of these, which I think is a pretty good deal without the coupon, or a $1.11 Moneymaker if you guys have the coupon. So that is a pretty great deal. So that was my haul, you guys. Like, I was so excited to get the pens. Like, that was my first thing on my list to do it. I'm like, okay, I gotta do a video because this video is awesome. So out of my 3 transactions, yeah, 3 transactions, you guys, my total came to $75.30. $75.30. Like I said, I got like 60 bucks worth of freaking pens. I ended up, well, I will be getting $3.60 back with Ibotta. I ended up getting $19 back with register rewards, which is pretty great deal. And then you guys want to know how much points I got? I I got $87 back in points. When I told her that, I says I've actually gotten a transactions more points than that ever. Like, it's one time I think I've gotten that many points back, but $87 back with points. So definitely do have this deal if you guys can do it. But my grand total came to a $34.30 moneymaker, you guys. $34 moneymaker. So thank you for those pens. Definitely get out and do those pens as much, or pencils, sorry you guys, there are some pens I think, but definitely go ahead and do that deal. I'm gonna try to do that deal maybe later this week and get some highlighters and Sharpies, because I really like the Sharpies. But just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys. I don't know if I'll do a second haul. If there's some good stuff, I might do a second haul, but we will see. We will see. We will see. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.